Man, where the fuck is that joint I was smoking earlier? You know, man, this is that bullshit. Yo, wait a minute. Wait, I passed it over to John. I remember I passed it over to John, and then he put it over here by the books. But then, you know what? Oh shit, I know it was by the couch. It was by the couch. Oh shit, but wait a minute. The whole motherfucking house would have burnt down. So this ain't making no sense right now. I don't. You know, so I was with a bad bitch named Cinnamon last night. You know what I'm saying? So she was about to put it on me. Yo, what this motherfucker look? Yo, my boy. Oh shit. Yo, this motherfucker hit his head on this shit. Yo. Oh, yo, what you looking for, my boy? Yeah. Listen, I lost that weed you had gave me the other day. Yo, you lost my shit? I'm about to go all up on your neck like, wow, bitch. Man, shut your little bitch ass up, man. Both y'all looking like little fake ass Power Rangers and shit.
Hey, you little faggots. What's up? Hey, listen, which one of y'all gonna give me a ride to the mall? Cause I gotta get my hair did, my nails did, and the new Nicki Minaj album just dropped.
Hey, kids. Hey. What's good, Barney? You sound fucking retarded. Lick my balls. Hey, kids, watch this. Watch what I can do. Watch how I can jump.
No one gives a fuck, Barney.
I fucked your mom last night. Hey, kids, so what do you kids want to do? I know. Let's all fuck. Let's go. Nah, son.
.com